How to turn on or turn off dialing keypad sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on system sound. Then tap on dialing keypad. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When we turn it off, you can see if I open up my keypad sound, it will not make any sound. And if I switch it on, now it will make a dialing keypad sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.